10-year-old me would have loved the opening credits of this film. Boobs, trucks, butts. Donald is a construction worker that just wants a regular meal, but his wife is obsessed with kitchen gadgets and attempts at fine cuisine.
Dormez booze, London Bridge is falling down in the blue Danube.
One day he hits his breaking point and ends up murdering her. Cutting her up and stashing her in their freezer.
Oh, I'm starving. Maybe there's something in the microwave. Oh. May's in the microwave. It's in the microwave?
He goes into that freezer late one night for a snack and ends up eating a piece of her, which he finds quite tasty. Soon he starts preparing her for his friends at work, and when that supply runs low, he starts looking for other sources of human meat. So, as sinister as that sounds, Microwave Massacre is actually one of the goofiest things you'll ever see.
Ooh, construction workers are so healthy and strong. Like that one over there. Do you know him?
Yeah. Nice guy.
Nice. He's beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful personality, too. Say, you want to meet him? Come on.
You know, if I've told you once, I've told you a million, billion, trillion times. Don't do that, you son of a bitch. Ooh, you know how it makes me break out in a rash?
It feels like a movie that pornographers would have made when they had a vague notion of going legit, but without any actual knowledge of how real movies work.
Do you think I'm a nice person?
Well, of course I do, honey child. You don't think I make a play for every lady who comes by here, do you? You got chemistry.
It's just that usually men are only after one thing.
Yeah, how do they choose?
Is it much of a horror movie? No, not really. But what saves it is the sheer number of gags the movie keeps hurling at us. Its dumb charm won me over early on, and despite the rather grotesque plot, it never wallows in its unpleasantness. Microwave Massacre also features the cutest ugly dog, and the dog lives! Actually, all the shots of the dog appear to be insert shots, as you never see it with another member of the cast, which is fine. But the dog lives!
Hey, what are you, some kind of nut or something? Get out of here, I got a business to run. Every kind of creep comes in here. Hello, Coast Guard? Coast clear? Good. Oh, it's you again. Well, we're closed. Oh, there's another one.
But here's a fun fact, and one that'll most likely change how you feel about a childhood favorite. The lead in this movie? The voice of Frosty the Snowman. You're welcome, everyone.
Oh, great. Just great.